Oh, mamma mia. Jeez, it's already getting dark. Ooh. Everywhere is covered in ice. Everywhere is covered in ice. Ooh. Mind you, there are a few ducks who are still managing to enjoy the weather. I suppose for the ducks, they have enough blanket to keep them warm. See that? It's solid. There, that's the back of Leicester Football Club. So, yeah. You can see. And sometimes in the winter you should get a few incidents where the weight of the ice is bringing down power lines. It happens a few times when you have too much ice on the power lines. It just drops, it just snaps from the weight of it. That happens quite a lot. See that? That's Leicester football ground. I'm on the other side of it. Yeah, it's a very frosty day. Whoa. Yeah, see that grid? That power grid. I don't know if you can see, I'm trying to show you. See that power grid? It can't drop. It has dropped before. And people have been injured. When you get too much weight on the line, too much ice, so just be careful. People are always aware of it. Well, they should be. They should be aware of it when they are working under trees or branches of trees, of large trees, or under cable lines exposed to the weather, because unless you can see it, it's secure and there's not much ice on it. Right, okay, here we go. The stadium looks beautiful from here, from this angle. If you're a Leicester fan, I think there's a game today, but I don't know who Leicester's got. But yeah, this section of the river is not frozen, so actually it looks like it's flooded not too long ago. You can see the signs of it. Yeah, it's a few swans. This swan must be hungry. People come out and give them breads or whatever. Wow. Hello. Hello, swan. How are you doing? Can you see my swan, my friend? Where you going? You want some food? Sorry, I didn't bring any bread for you. Next time. Oh, that's a grey sky. It's foggy. Oof. And it's so busy, you know, because you see a lot of people out. Must be going somewhere interesting, I guess. Maybe there's a function somewhere. I can see the main road way ahead. And you can see the main road with possibly a police car flashing, or ambulance. One of them. Yeah, the swans have come out to play in this weather. Yeah, there's a lot of swans out now. Yeah, a few swans. Yeah, this is a frosty day in Leicester. I think time for me to get home. I also get come out to fish. I don't know if there's any fish here. It's gonna be swans getting the fish. Oh what? Yep. Hello, Mr. Swan. That's a big one. How did that get there? Must be the wind. Oof, change hands again. See, look, even the cobwebs, the cupboard is full of ice. And they're dropping. See that? It's a funny one. Oh yeah, see that? See the main road. The main road's iced up. Oh, it's actually a police van, so what's happened there? Looks like oh, they have pulled somebody over, or there's an accident. Yeah, it's busy city traffic along there. Okay. Whoa. It's an accident. Oh, they broke down.
2 minutes. Obviously, we're in a better position now.
Oh, see the traffic. Busy. Doesn't look busy out here. Right. Oh, you have to be careful walking along here. See the ice. This is when you need to be loads of people have ended up with a broken arm, especially elderly people. They end up with a broken arm because of a fall on the ice. So you have to be careful, take extra caution, because any minute you can have your backside on the ground easy. Very, very busy. I think this must be football crowd. Possibly the Leicester game. I don't know. It's so unusually busy. So now I'm going to go in Starbucks, have a chill, and I'm gonna end the video right about here because I've seen my favorite coffee shop, one of my favorite coffee shop, as Starbucks. So go in Starbucks, have a seat, have a cappuccino, and maybe read a book, go online, read something, and yeah, take it from there. And that's it. So yeah, this is a very frosty afternoon. If you're anywhere in the country, I guess you'll be having similar experience. I think London will be just about the same, Manchester will be just about the same, Liverpool possibly worse, Bristol, yeah, Birmingham, same. That's not far from here. Yeah, pretty much anywhere you go in the country at this time of day, you will get the same experience. So yeah. So this is me. Oh, ladies and ladies, gents and gents, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna call it quits. And yeah, I need to get my ass home. It's freezing now. I should see you in the next video. Hopefully better weather, but I doubt it. I think we're gonna get a very frosty January from the look of things. So guys, I should say au revoir, adios, goodbye, ciao bella. Yeah, ciao bella. Ciao bella Italian. Okay, I don't know. I'm just chatting shit. Anyway, yeah, so have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.